How to enable or disable Siri announce notifications on speaker on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, go back to the main settings page. Then we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we go down and in here, tap on Siri. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Announce Notifications on speaker. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When you turn it on, you can tap on Announce Notifications. And here you can choose to use it with headphones or replied without confirmation. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.